Yo, yo, yo. CPA Strength here, back with another video. This is a live video with chat, but I am doing a monologue type video, as if you can see with the title. This is a question. This is going to be part of the morning show, although I didn't have room in the title to say it's the morning show, so I will get in chat. I'm just gonna have like a little 5-10 minute monologue here. This is a question I got. Someone emailed me the question. Maybe we can take a vote and get a monologue question for tomorrow morning. I kind of want I want some of these videos to have a purpose. So let's just get started. I got an email from someone about a month ago. He sent it to me on April 15th, so that was a while ago. Hey, what's up? I can see who's in chat right now. I'm not going to be talking to chat, but thanks for being here. Jordan loves me. Okay. Can I be a cam girl, Jordan? Hi. Hello. Hey, F. Sabir. Hi. Amir. Hi. Lance. Good morning. We got 13 people in here. What a blessing. I've never had more than 25. So, anyways, you got to start somewhere, right, my friend? So, I'm going to answer, I think, a great question. As you can see in the title, it's like, if I started accounting, what did I wish I knew? I'll read it all out, but we're going to do that. And then I don't know what happened, but I actually got 2 fan mails yesterday. I think it's just catching up from the post office. And then I got one like a while ago. I actually got a 4th fan mail, and I don't know where that is. So, hey, I'll give you my address, and if anybody wants to send me anything in the mail, they can. And I'll talk about the fan mail that I got, which still blows my mind. I guess it's a fan mail, a supporter mail. I don't know. Someone that doesn't hate me. Morning, Dorothy. Renz, I'll get to that later. After I do the 2 things that I was going to do, maybe we'll get to that. Definitely want to say, everyone, thank everybody for watching these live streams. I love doing them. I'm totally addicted to them. So, thanks for everybody that's ever commented, subscribed, donated, super chat. I do appreciate that as well. And let's get in this. So, April 15th now. April 15th was the last day of tax season, but that doesn't matter. It's taken me about 3 weeks to get here. My email address is dorn, DORN 954 @gmail.com. Oh, I'll put it in here. Y'all better thank you, Jordan. Hey, good morning, Chris. How you doing today, bud? Right, I know. We only have 1 like. Can I get a like here? Let me see. Dorn 954 @gmail.com. What up, Go? What up, Go? Good morning to you, bro. What are you doing up this early? Hopefully you got a good night. Hopefully you slept, but I don't know. Maybe if you're on the night schedule, who knows? Jet lag and all that. So we're answering email here. We're answering email. My email is in chat right now. Oh, Absaba. Yeah, I'm talking about that. So anyways, let's get into this for a few minutes here. Thanks for everyone being here. I got, for me, a ton of people watching. So without further ado, let me dive, APS shout out, dive headfirst into this question. Hi, Jonathan. This is from USC.edu alumni person. I'm not going to put the person's name out here. So anyways, USC, pretty prestigious, I guess, school. I don't know. Hi, Jonathan. I came across your channel, and it's given me inspiration to make a career change to accounting. Okay. So you have you have a career in something else. You've watched my channel. You think you want to do accounting. Cool. It seems that you had struggles in class as well as preparing for the CPA. Yes, I did. I just barely squeaked by. I would have never passed. I think I had about a 2.7. That was with all my classes, basket weaving included, as well as the accounting. And it wasn't looking good for the kid until I got test banks, until I found out about test banks. And then I got up to like a 3.3 or 3.4. Anyway, so yes, I struggled. Struggled in class as well as preparing for the CPA. Preparing for the CPA, I failed it 4 times and I passed it 4 times. So I don't know. I was 0 for 2 though. I failed my first 2 and I was like, what am I doing here? Is this maybe not for me? That was a big pivotal point in my life after I got the results, after I failed my second CPA exam. And I was like, no, I'm doing this. Then I passed the next 3. Anyways, I am planning to start studying accounting in the fall. Okay. Most likely at a community college to fulfill prerequisites. I started at a community college. I would honestly recommend that, really, because it's a little bit easier. It is easier than a 4-year university, but it'll build your confidence. You can get A's and B's there and build your confidence. And if you can't get A's and B's at a community college, there's no reason to go to a 4-year university. But anyways, everything's situational in life. If you were to start accounting again, what are some things you would have done differently or you wish you knew? So that's the title of the title of this video, of this live stream. And that's what I'm going to talk about. If you were to start accounting again, what are some things you would have done differently or wish you knew? Then he says, I'm leaning towards looking at schools in the East Coast. East Side, most likely Mid-Atlantic and New England. Okay. Although I did look at University of Miami at Coral Gables. I know that. I think that's a private university and that's expensive. But anyways, thank you, the person who wrote the letter. Let me get over to chat for a second. Chat's going crazy. Cloud Gangster, yo, what's up, dog? Yo, what's up, man? What's up, everybody in chat, bro? 17. Wow, this is crazy. I've never had more than 25. So, yep. 170 in chat. Going to a community college, Delta boy. That's what's up. That's where I got my start. Hi, sir. How are you doing? I'm doing great, Aki. How are you doing? Cloud Gangster, what's up? Glad you made it over here. G Money. I'm doing my pure mathematics. Nice name. Hi, I'm doing. Dude, we got a bona fide live stream chat, like high echelon chat person with Cloud Gangster. So wow. Hi, I'm doing my ACCA, Association of Chartered Certified Accounting, which is probably better than CPA. Okay. I'm happy for you. Happy Wednesday, everyone. Happy Wednesday to you too, Michelle. So glad you are here. Yeah, I'm glad everyone's here. I'm glad I'm here. I'm glad you're here, Michelle. Bro, I'm actually really close to hitting 250. Yeah, I know, right? I mean, sometime you just got to be consistent. I mean, and if you've seen me on live streams, you know everyone likes to fuck with me. Oh, you got freaking this guy's live streaming to 5 people. I got that comment. Well, you got to start somewhere, bro. I'm sorry, unless you're like leeching off somebody or you're kind of famous, but I'm just a guy, bro. I'm just a guy who started with no subscribers, no live viewers, but I hustle hard, and my work ethic is impeccable. Yeah, we just hit 200. Yo, what up, Michael? Let's get it. Ski Mouse Mafia, you know it. Hey, morning, JD. Hey, did you see me in IRL news last night? That was a weird recycled chat, but I just sat there and said Ski Mask Mafia was deep in IRL news. And then we got the breaking news dono and Bone Cleans got shook. Appropriate question. 97K subs. That's something. You're damn right it is. Did I use Becker? I could talk about that in a different video, Michelle. Yeah, I'm here. What's up, Pablo? What's up, Pablo? Pablo in chat. Dorothy says I'm struggling to do online class. I struggle to do online class, but I excelled in class. Is that normal? I don't know if there is a normal. Nice one, bro. No, never seen nothing. Okay, cool. Nah, all right, yeah, I got you. I got you, Clout. Dude, for reals though, like the real fucking deal. Like Clout, Gangster, and Lols are the real deal. Your dad likes my shit, Jordan? That's what's up, bro. That's cool as fuck, dude. Damn. I could say, yeah, the secret's hard work, bro. Yeah, the Jordan $15 meme. I know, bro. I love you, bro. I love you, dog. All right, so the question is, if I were to start accounting again, what are some things you would have done differently or wish you knew? I think that's a very wise question. If you're starting accounting or you're taking accounting or just, I think that's a freaking really good question to me. And I think I could answer that well. Mind you, I have an accounting degree. I struggled. I have a CPA license. Um, I think maybe most importantly, I've been, well, just in the same vein of importance, I have been uh, teaching accounting online for 4 years almost now, coming up to 4 years in August. August of 15, I started. And I've helped thousands of people learn accounting. So I know kind of what I've answered thousands of questions too. Like, what does this mean? What does this mean? And so I came up with 5 things. And of course, it's pretty much centered upon DC Adler. But I really came up with 4 things here. Um, so I really came up with four different things. So there's an overreaching 5th one that encompasses everything here is just learn the fundamentals. If I were to start accounting again, I would learn the fundamentals, like the basics, the foundation. What I did, I had a very weak foundation. Didn't learn the basics, had a weak foundation. So then, maybe I got to my second accounting class. Yeah, I got to my second accounting class and it started getting a little harder. It's at community college, but and I was making it, but it wasn't pretty. My foundation was weak. I could only go so high. And so I would say learn the basics. And you're like, well, what are the basics? Well, I'm going to go over the basics in 4 different things. So I looked over at chat over here for a second. I see Pure Mathematics says debits and credits, and that is my first thing. Like if I could start over again, take your first day, you're starting accounting. Take your first day, or really, if you're only going to need to take, I don't know how long it's going to take you to remember this, but debits on the left, credits on the right. If you don't know anything about accounting, that's the first thing I want you to know. That's the number one. There's 4 things, and that's huge in my opinion, and that is also what pure mathematics says. That's what Jordan says too. Anyways, so debits on the left, credits on the right. We use for accounting, we use a double entry accounting system. You have when you make a journal entry and everything's basically some derivative of a journal entry, you always have debits on the left, credits on the right. So that's the first thing that needs to be known. All right. Second thing, I guess you could probably learn all four of these in a day. And now I know you have to take a test or whatever, but you wouldn't have a test for a few weeks. Like, just keep on studying these four things until you know them and move on. But number two, I would say no DC Adler. And you're like, oh well, why do I have to know DC? Why do I have to know DC Adler? Well, we just learned debits. Debits is D, credits is C. So DC, that's the DC. That's why I separate DC, because a lot of people are like declarer, dealer, whatever. You can use whatever you want. I just always want to emphasize that debits and credits are by themselves because they're not the same as the other six letters. So I just want you to, that's why the first thing I want you to know is debits on the left, credits on the right. The next thing I want you to know is DC Adler. I want you to know that. And then what are they for? So I'm gonna write where my pen at? Where my pen at? Already here. Woo. Now, DC Adler, I already wrote out debits and credits, so I'll show you how fast this really is here. Okay, so DC A. Now we got an A. What's the A for? Well, let's do the A, D, and the E are on the debit side, and the LR is on the credit side. This is the second thing I want you all to know. If I was to start over again, I wish I knew. You got debit, credit, so DC, AID, LR. ADELER. Now we just gotta put in what those are for. So basically, you know, if you did these four things every morning for a month, like you would have, just write these down every morning for a month. And then when you get to your test, just like you've been doing every morning for a month, you're gonna write these down on your test and you're gonna have this little cheat sheet and you're gonna crush that motherfucker. Okay, so we already know debits and credits is debits on the left, credits on the right. We already know that. And now we have our Adler. What's the A? What's the A? A stands for assets. The D stands for draw. Or since I've been doing this a lot, what makes sense would be withdraw, maybe. Withdraw or draw is what it stands for because I made the aid. I probably would change to Adler now or something, maybe. I don't know. Adler sounds better. Anyways, the E down there is expenses, expense. Sorry. Asset draw expense on the debit side. On the credit side, L stands for liability. E stands for equity. And R stands for revenue. So you guys are learning accounting in 10 minutes. You can save $8,000 at your school. 4 years and 4 years and like $80,000 versus 10 minutes for free. So you're welcome. Anyways, so there's DC Adler, and I want you to know that. And then I want you to also know that those are the positive. If here we'll put up. I put an up arrow on each side. So that's the DC Adler. This is the DC Adler that I kind of use now. If asset draw expense are going up or increasing in value, you debit them. If liability, equity, or revenue is going up, then you would credit them. If asset draw expense are decreasing, you would credit them. If they're decreasing, you credit them. Liability, equity, revenue, if they're decreasing, you debit them. So that's the second. We got 2 more things to learn. We're almost done learning accounting. Sorry to keep you guys so long, but I did just save you 4 years. I also want you to know the balance sheet, or I wish I knew the balance sheet if I were to start accounting again. I wish I had this cheat sheet right here. I wish I had this. I wish I would write this down every single morning. And I wish I knew what the balance sheet was. I wish I would have just slowed down, took a day, 3 hours, 4 hours. What is the balance sheet? Like, okay, I definitely want you to know the balance sheet is assets equal liability plus equity. And in equity is net income. I want you to know that. Net income or loss. And maybe Google search some balance sheets and look at them. And it's always the assets are the first page, or the assets are on the top all by themselves. Usually the assets will be the first page. And let's say you have $10,000 of assets. Assets equal liabilities plus equity. So the second page will be liabilities plus equity is, what did I say, 1,000 or 10,000? So I would like you to know that too. Just at least know, or write this on your cheat sheet every morning, the balance sheet. This is the third thing. Assets equal liabilities plus equity, and included in equity is net income. Fourth thing I'd like you to know, or I wish I knew, sorry, I keep on saying that, but I guess I already know them. So fourth thing I'd like you to know is the income statement. Income statement is simply revenues minus expenses. Revenue minus expenses, or income, or money you make. Money you make, that's your main job. Or let's just say any money coming in, okay? Just keep it simple. Income minus expenses. Revenue minus expenses. Same thing. I'm put revenue or income. They're the same thing. Minus expenses. And as you can see, what is revenue minus expenses? That equals net income. And if you saw net income, I'm going to circle it. I want you to circle it too. Net income's on the balance sheet and the income statement. Balance sheet goes first, income statement second. And yeah. Well, I've been going for 23 minutes, but I think maybe I taught the accounting, or what I wish I knew from, I don't know, maybe I did it in 15 minutes. So yeah, if you take 15 minutes every morning, learn the basics, write this down, because your mind starts to remember it. Like, get your cheat sheet out, maybe watch this video and make your own cheat sheet. Okay, you have it. Next morning you're like, okay, what was on that cheat sheet? What were those 4 things? And then you start writing those down. You can't remember. You go look over here. You're like, oh yeah, that's it. And that's how I did. That's how I passed the CPA exam, just through that. Because I had a cheat sheet that was like a whole page. That it would take me like probably well, in the beginning, like an hour to do, and then I get it down to half an hour, and I can start doing it in 10 or 15 minutes every morning. And then I just started just seeing that piece of paper. Like, I knew that piece of paper because I do it every day for like 2 months. Anyways, yeah, that was a little something different. And let me get back to chat. I'm gonna get pop out chat up here and kind of back to normal. Except thanks for everyone being here. I almost had 25, so that's cool. Almost had 250, yeah. So yeah, I answered an email question from somebody, and I know this is a valuable video. I know that's going to help a lot of people out, so I'm excited about that. Now I'm gonna talk to Chad for a little bit, and then we'll do a little mail call, and then we'll see what's happening. And I mean, basically, we're gonna be back to the CPA Strength Morning Show. I'm built for this shit. This is what I really born to do. Just talk, man. Just talk. Try to be fast on my feet. The hate, I love it. That doesn't bother me. The support, I love. I mean, I really do love that. So let's go. Had a super good workout this morning. Went out to Holiday Park. I took some pictures and shit. Took some really nice pictures. I'll post them to Instagram maybe during the chat, and then I'll tell Instagram, hey, I'm over here. I didn't really use Instagram that much, but it's a pretty big platform. It's pretty cool. I mean, I like it a lot. I like it, especially for DMs and stuff. It's hard to DM on the YouTubes. Oh, I think I only had my top chat up over here. So, all right. Without further ado, let me get to get out of here. Get out of here. 316 subscribers. Pretty happy about that. So we're on our way to 98. Road to 100K. Hashtag road to 100K subbies. It's a big milestone for a YouTuber. I mean, 1,000 is pretty good. Definitely the first 1,000 is the hardest. Hey, what did I say? Accounting Q&A. Yeah, accounting questions. If I start accounting again, I wish I knew CPA strength. Yep, there we go. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Hey, that's pretty good audio. Your boy ain't fucking around. Crispy 1080 HP video and high quality audio. Fuck with the kid. I didn't just start out like this. Oh, we gotta get pop out chat here, and let's get it in the middle. And I don't need it that big. Come on. Get over in the middle. Let me talk to chat. I love talking to chat. I love having comments in chat to comment too. Because starting this up, you're like, no comments. No. So I'm just going to. Fuck the haters. Yep. I appreciate them. Did I use Becker? Yeah, I could talk about that. I used old Becker. If you have the money, yeah, but I think in my opinion you got to do multiple different systems. You can't just take, because the CPA exam is so broad, you can't just have one person's point of view, which Becker is like one person's point of view. The weather's terrible in England. Nice in South Florida. Get over here, bro. I prefer being in class. Yeah, I do too. I took a couple online classes in college, and I wouldn't study for them when I was online there. I was doing other stuff on my phone, and not the same for me. You gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. Keep on doing the Pablo Escobar says BS. Keep on doing great job. Thank you, Google Lethu. Ali Fasal says, if I major in accounting, can I pursue a finance career? I think so. I mean, I would talk to guidance counselor at your school and see what the deal is. Credit and debit. Mathematics, you got it backwards. Debit and credit. Please. Sorry. I don't know if you're trolling or not. Scuff debits and credits. Yeah, these are scuff debits and credits. Yeah. I use credit. Delta Boy says, "Were you from Mississippi, bro? Or Louisiana?" Either way, you could probably cook me up something good. Delta Boy says, I use credits. R, letter for right. Oh, that's actually smart because there's in debits there's no R, right? So that's pretty smart. I like that, Delta Boy. Renz, by the way, I've been watching your tutorials for accounting since the very first, and it helped me excel in our accounting subject. I want to thank you for that. Just want to share. You're welcome, Renz. In the word. Yeah, oh, I see that now, Delta Boy. I'm a little slow sometimes. Everything must balance. Hence, double entry Andy. Double entry Andy. That's my name. Oh, you know what? I don't have my bananas today, so I'm in my feels about that. So 2 banana Andy, not today, but double entry Andy. This guy saved me 80K, right? Ricky Ricardo, what's up? Sam B, yo, master journal entries, rest everything, balance sheet, P&L, cash flow statement of equity is for free. Checks and balance, financial position, good, nice. Going to take QuickBooks prior to accounting one because of schedule. I mean, it would help for you to know accounting for QuickBooks because that's what QuickBooks is. It's a accounting software. So, but you'll learn as you go. It's fine. I take a cheat sheet into the exam question mark. No, you have it memorized. You've been writing it every day for a month, so you know what it is in your head. So you're allowed scratch paper. So right when you get in the exam, you write out your cheat sheet, just like you've been doing every day for a month. Double amount of pre-workout I usually take yesterday. I was the closest thing to being a god at the gym. Double pre-workout. How many milligrams of caffeine is the double? I do 800 milligrams of caffeine every morning before my workout. Hashir, what's up? Can you teach financial reporting basics? Because it sucks. I think I do. Check out Accounting for Beginners 1 through 34. I look like I need to sleep. I'm severely burnt out on my business. I probably could. I probably do need to sleep. I didn't get the best night of sleep last night because I had a late appointment, which I don't usually do. I don't usually have late appointments. And I was super tired in the late afternoon. So I took some caffeine later in the night and I didn't sleep that good. So you're correct. DC Adler, yep, DC Adler was awesome trick. Thank you. Please, if you are on this live and have not hit the like button, please do. Thank you, Michelle. I appreciate that. I am fine, and you are looking great. Thanks, Ashir. I appreciate that. There's a ghost in my back. Oh no, that's Tupac, sir. $20 people, 200 people in chat. By the way, I want to say thank you for everyone being here. Tracy, I'm a business owner. and was so grateful to learn the basics of accounting from your videos last year. Oh, I could see that. I appreciate that. I use QuickBooks for work on your business, right? I mean, you have Tracy, you got one business and it's like I don't know, you have a restaurant or something. I don't know, and then you do QuickBooks for your restaurant, right? That's awesome. What software do you recommend to do personal accounting? Um, I don't know. I don't really use a software for personal accounting. I would probably just make an Excel or something with how much money I make every month, with how much money's coming out every month, and how much I can save every month. And if I'm doing that, and I do have on my list of things to do here, um, to make an Excel template video. So I was gonna do it for like uh, how I go through how I get like a income statement or balance sheet, but I could do a personal finance one too. But I would just track that myself. I know they have. I think they have Mint is a software, and that's Intuit as well, I believe. Um, I know they have not QuickBooks, but a old one. I forget the name of it. But anyways, I'm glad I could help you learn that. Learn just some basics as a small business owner. Because you never get taught accounting, you never get taught taxes in school or anything. But guess what? All of a sudden, you're a small business owner. You're a business, a big business owner, and you got to know this stuff. So, Maximus Alexander Maxim Augustus XV triple I, long name. Do you need to do auditing to get a CPA license, even though you want to work in tax? No. I mean, every state's a little different, but you have to pass an auditing section of the CPA exam, and then you can work, I guess, anywhere under a CPA doing anything for a few years. So no, you don't have to. You don't actually have to do auditing in practice, but you have to pass the auditing section of the CPA exam. One problem that I encounter is balancing the trial balance. Yeah, I don't even really use a trial balance. That's kind of just like school stuff. Maybe I'm missing something, but I don't think so at this point, because I heard another CPA say I don't use trial balance either. But just keep practicing. Delta boy, you got me. Yeah, you're on that. Balancing a trial balance is a myth. I don't know. I just did the math. Good for you, Jordan. It was literally 1 gram. Oh shit. Okay, so you're up there with me, big dog. Just imagine walking into the gym being the skinniest kid thinking to destroy anyone. Well, imagine being like the fattest kid thinking you can destroy anybody out of here. I beast out. I had a really good gym workout. Well, I'm so sick of LA Fitness down here. It's just bullshit. I went over to Holiday Park. I'll show some. I took some really good. I took some pictures. The Venturion. I'm a programmer with not much experience in accounting reporting. It's all magic. Ended up subscribing here just because you really wanted to teach. Keep up the good work. Thank you, Venturion. I appreciate that, bro. Yeah. Really, those 4 things, the 5 things I taught in like 15 minutes in the beginning of this video would help. So, 28 Roman numeral. Yeah, you're welcome, Maximus. I don't really know the Roman numerals. I didn't know that was 28. Now that you say it is, I guess X is 20, V is 5, and then 3, so 28. Thank you. Could you please explain what increase in non-current liabilities mean for a company? All right, you're either going to have current or non-current. Non-current is usually to over a year. So we have something over a year. What's a liability? A liability is something that you owe somebody. You're liable for it. And where's the liability? Liabilities, assets equal liabilities plus equity. It's on the balance sheet. So if you increase in liabilities, that means that you owe somebody more of something. Maybe you borrowed some money. So the money you have is an asset. But who owns that money? Or maybe you bought a big machine, a printing press or whatever for $30,000, but you owe that. So you have a machine printing press as an asset, but who owns that? That's the first part. That's assets. Now it equals liabilities. Do you owe it to somebody, or equity? Does the company own it? And somebody else owns that, or you owe it. So your shit's all upside down. What's your email again? We'll write that in chat. You got a question? Don't forget to hit the super chat if you're enjoying the stream. Helps buy my lunch and my bananas. Yeah, Dirty G in chat. We got a moderator in chat. Thanks for moderating. Thanks for being here, Dirty G. We're gonna do some fan mail. We started off with, of course, the question of the stream. Anyways, thanks for being here, Dirty G. I think we were up to 24, I believe, 240 in chat. Our record's 250. So one of these mornings we'll have to hit it. It's okay if we don't. Trust me, I'm super happy to have, I think in this chat I've had 15 to 20, like the whole entire chat, which is freaking a lot for me. Just last weekend, I think I had 3 people for like a good hour. So yeah. I work at Delta Boy in Texas. I work out at LA Fitness in Texas. Jordan also go to LA Fitness. I guess it's all right, but that's not like, I can't get nasty in that bitch, They always tell me to shh. I want to freaking throw a plate in their head. Good morning, Rosemary. What's up, sweetie? How you doing today? XVII, it's 18. Yes. Thank you. How much money can you make with a CPA? Can you make? I don't know, like maybe if you're like the top tier of a head of a big organization or something, or one of the big 4, I think you could probably make $200,000 to $500,000 a year. I don't know. Yeah, them beta alanines, they make you tingle. What did you work out on this morning, Jordan? Chest and arms. Let me see. You went in there. Probably didn't even warm up. 135 on the bar. Did that, like, put some 45 plates on the bar. Did that like 4 or 5 times. Looked around. Did that again. Went over. Did some curls. Then you ran on the treadmill and looked at Instagram. Hope I'm wrong. I hope I'm wrong. I'm just fucking around, Jordan. I hope I'm wrong. Love the Q&A learning. Thank you. Delia. Can you please discuss how grading on the curve helped you in your courses? Yeah, it actually hurt me a lot of times because there would be someone who knew about the test bank and they would get 98s on the test, and then I was over there with a class average of 65. So it actually messed me up. It's morning, so people working or going to work. Yeah, this is the morning show, man. This is the morning show. I want to turn this into like the Howard Stern show, kind of. The morning show, like, where you're gonna have it on. You're gonna listen to me on your way to work. You're gonna get to work. You're gonna have it on. You're gonna, call in. You're gonna listen to it with your coworkers. Shit like that. You're off for the day. You don't go to work, but you're always gonna have the CPA Strength morning show. Sarah says, thank you. I really struggle with depreciation. Subscribe to your channel, and I love the way you explain everything. Easy to understand. Thank you, Sarah. I'm glad I could help. Seriously. Let's get it. Time to grind again. I'm always out here grinding. 6 figures, by the way. Gator. Booger. Did you see IRL news last night, Dirty G? Wendy, yo. Coming by to say hello before I go study today. Love CPA Strength. Hey, love you too, Wendy. It's good to feel the love. You're in Florida, aren't you, Wendy? Delta Boy does kettlebell workouts at home. Jordan, was that the workout you did, bro? It's okay. Working out, doing anything's better than nothing. So that's fine. That's just the normal. That's just the bro workout. The dude says, HUD, bro. Have not seen the dude in here before. Anyways. Delta Boy, kettlebell workout in 10 minutes does more than running for an hour. Yeah, but Delta Boy, how much you bench, bro? I've never heard anybody ask, how much do you kettlebell? Do your thing. I'm just fucking around. I feel you, though. I was thinking about getting some kettlebells. There's a dude who does a kettlebell workout at Holiday Park. So, oh, you're in Broward, Wendy? When are we gonna hang out? When are we gonna hang out and do something? When do you want to get on the channel? When are we gonna do something fun that I can video? We're in Broward, Fort Lauderdale, Tamarack, North Lauderdale, out west, Pompano. Oh, Weston, cool. You probably told me that before. I'm sorry if I forgot it. CPA accounting show, coast to coast global morning CPA morning show. Yep. How do we report dividend on taxes? For personal, you would just do that. There's a space for dividends on your tax return. It's literally like a part of the income. It's like, is it a qualified dividend or a regular one? Do I kettlebell? No. I've never used a kettlebell. 100-pound kettlebells, Dirty G. How much do your kettlebells weigh, Delta Boy? Dirty G doing 100-pound ones. Good morning, Simply You. I was like the only subscriber to Simply Use page last night, and she did put up 2 videos. So if you want to go watch those or go over to Simply You and subscribe. Beautiful soul there. Sunrise. Yes, I did get Sunrise. Sunrise, you want me to talk about Sunrise Middle? 100-pound shake weight. I use 110-pound shake weight, so I have everyone beat. Thank you. Bella Pelo Studio Romanelli. Okay, Mark. That's exactly what I was thinking as well. Do I know how to Panther Pride? Your name seems familiar, but I think that might have been a different name. I don't know. Did you go? Is that your school? Are you a Panther or something? Do I know how to play poker? I played it a little bit. I was never like that good at it, but I think maybe that makes me dangerous sometimes because I don't really know like everything, so I don't play like very good, but I know some stuff. I'm not very good at it. Probably like in 2005 or 2010, it was like really popular. Like Chris Moneymaker just won World Series of Poker, so it was like you'd go over to your friend's house, drink, smoke, do some powder, and fucking play poker. But I was never that good at it. You've never seen me laugh so hard. I know. I love when something makes me laugh out here. You prefer blackjack? Uh, I would have to say I prefer poker over blackjack. I think there's way more skill in that. I think there's definitely skill in poker. Like whenever I would play with my friends, it would always be usually the same couple people winning. Cotoletta, I don't know what that is. Mark Ops, are you the Ops, bro? The opposites. I don't fuck with the Ops, Mark. Panther Pride. Yes, my old high school team was the Roselle Park Panthers in New Jersey. Cool. Just asking because I'm an accounting major, but stop because I'm a professional online poker player now. That's what's up, bro. You're living the life, dog. Good for you, Panther Pride. Fucking live that shit up, bro. How many hours a day do you play? Mark's a Fed. Yeah, I know. He's ops. He's ops. I don't fuck with the ops. I don't fuck with the ops. Porco Dio. What's up, Steel? I do not fuck with the ops. I do not talk to police for fun. Like, if I see one out in the community, I mean, of course, I'll be respectful. I will see him. I may make some eye contact. Wave, but I ain't going up fucking chatting for 10 minutes about whatever. Like that's the ops. Like I understand you got a job to do, and I got a job to do too. You know what I'm saying? Never joke with the cops, they shoot you. No, I mean some people like there's these horse cops around here. And I was on Subway yesterday. I was in Subway, and one of the guys in Subway was like, "Oh, is that the horse cop? Oh, I'm gonna go out there." And then he's like, "Oh, thank you so much for your service." And out there talking to him for 10 minutes. That's the guy I don't want. That's the guy I don't want to hang out with. You're gonna be talking about me to the fucking cops and shit. FTP. Oh, cool. I grind 5 to 8 hour multi-table tournaments every day. Oh, you can make a lot of money like me. Poker's all mathematics. Maybe I should start doing online poker here. Fuck the bullshit, right? Maybe I'll start, Panther. Can you tell me a website to get started on? Like, where should I start, Panther Pride? Like, where should I start? And I don't know if you can't put it out in chat for whatever reason. Could you email me it? What do you want? He's high on money. Panther Pride high on money. I want to do something like Jordan though. I'm for real. Give me a little stable or something. And work these hoes till their ankles bleed. Scab that shit up and go grind some more. Yeah, gambling stream. CPA poker. Liquor in the front, poker in the rear. We got 210 chat. Thanks for everyone being here. We can't stop you from counting cards online. No, don't stop teaching accounting. I'll never stop teaching accounting. I just gave you accounting gems in the first little beginning of this video. PokerStars.com. Thank you very much, Panther Pride. We might have a new addiction. Be like, hey, can you do my tax return? And be like, absolutely not. I'm playing online poker, making 5 times as much as I ever did doing your fucking tax returns, dealing with your fucking bullshit, your missed appointments, your fucking whining. Oh. What does this letter say? I don't know. Why do you conveniently forget to know how to read when you're talking to me? Anyways. Poker Stars. Here's the only thing I've written down today, so you know it's serious. Poker Stars. Shit. Know where I'll be up. Hopefully I see you. Maybe I don't see you on there. I don't know. I'm gonna take all my money. I didn't show you that. Here's what we had first today. Mukbang. This is the first thing I ate today. Gotta get some more water. Scoop. It'll be Poker Strength Channel. Don't lose your house over this game. Who cares, right? There's no gambling and managing. There's no gambling and managing cam whores all day, counting cards my ass. Jordan, how you recommend I get in your line of business? Is there a fucking I just gotta control some minds first or something? I'm gonna get into that. Jordan, email me how I can get in that. I'm sure you don't want to give away your blueprint for that. You're like a cult leader. I feel you, bro. I'm gonna get into that though. What's up, Jesse? Good morning. Dude, please do, bro. Please do. That's seriously something I would do. Like, I think I could really do that. How you doing today, Jesse? We did something a little different this morning. Uh-huh. Yeah, guys, I might play some poker. I might not. I'm definitely more involved and I'm definitely more interested in doing something different, like maybe what my boy Jordan does. Like, I'm serious about that. Just getting day started at work. Got to reconcile 4-month worth of shite for one company. How many bank accounts? Four bank accounts? Okay. Sun is just rising West Coast. 6 o'clock. Yeah. I saw, after I have this, I'm going to show you some of my pictures. I had the best little time at holiday. I saw sunrise today, and it's really nice. Water. Mm. Mm. Edumson Navales. Hey, good morning to you. Okay. Next segment of the morning show here. Next segment of the CPA Strength Morning Show. I just saw 23. I just saw 230 in chat. We almost have. How many Nature's Valley boxes you got hiding around? Well, that was gross. Not gonna get me like EBZ booger. Oh, that's from constant years of shoving 8 balls in up my nose per night. And when I laugh, a lot of times snot comes flying out of my nose is just all messed up. I snorted. I can probably, who knows, kilos up this fucking nose. How many Nature Valley boxes you got hiding around? Lots. Lots. Yeah, I can't give you the exact number because then you know too much. Oh, Delta Boy, that's actually very smart. Practice online virtual money first. Yeah. Because that's where I actually got decent way back in the day. I forget there was some kind of online poker where you just played for fun. And that's very smart. That's actually what I might do, like play on Facebook or something. Maybe I could play with some people in here. All right, Zora, take care. These things are sticky. That was not a Nature Valley. That was weird. Belvita. I have no idea what that is, but if it's coming from you, I'm trying to get where you are, my boy. I'm gonna write that down. Belvita. I'm gonna say Jordan. Belvita. Trying to be like my man Jordan out here. Belvita / trying to be Belvita. Oh, online poker, Jesse. What was it? Panther Pride said, "Hey, do you play poker?" Because I used to do accounting, and now I make a lot of money playing poker. And I'm like, you know what? I never played much poker. He's like, oh, it's all about numbers. Maybe you'd be good at it. And so I was like, okay. Fortnite. I'm not that good at Fortnite, and it's hard because I never played except I got my computer here, my HP computer, and then I downloaded Fortnite. This is like 3 weeks ago or something. And Anyways, I try to get on Fortnite, and now I'm playing with people who have been playing for like 3 years, and I'm over here in my first week, and I'm getting crushed. Oh, I hope that's what it is, Jordan, because that's probably the first thing I'm gonna after I end this stream. That's the first thing I'm gonna do. Actually, I'm so intrigued. Oh, I had those before, bro. Yeah, they all right. Shit look expensive. If they got a BOGO, I might check them out, but I'm cheap, bro. I'm cheap. It's not how much you make, it's how much you save. That was some e-pimping shit, bro. Come on. Velveeta. I thought it was Velveeta at first. 97, 319 subbies. Where my pop out chat? There we are. 260 in chat. Oh, I just looked over and saw 22 now. Anyways, that's our new record. Hey, that's what's up. We took our first call-in caller yesterday at 5'7". Now on 5'8", 2019, we have a new record in chat. 260 in chat. I want to say thank you to everyone for being here. Hey, bro, I'm really trying. You got me, dog. You got me. You got me. Hey, hey, hey. You know. I'll just Google search. I'm a smart guy. I can figure it out. I thought you might have some inside tips or something. How you got involved, how you started, or whatever. Fentanyl. Daniel says, are fentanyl ODs real? Yes, they are. Kind of thinking twice before I hit anything. Before you do any pills? Yeah, just don't do any pills, bro. Look. Anything really besides some alcohol and some weed is just bullshit. Real. I mean, do what you want. I've done it all. I'm here to say I think everything else besides some alcohol, some weed is just bullshit. You know, I mean, of course, some mushrooms, some mushrooms, some acid every once in a while to clear your mind. You know, you're with a, you know, you're with a girlfriend or boyfriend, do some ecstasy. That's always fun. That's probably my favorite in life. I don't know what you think is best with that. With what? Best with what? Panther Pride spitting some game here. With online poker, I got my first car. 2017 Porsche Macan Turbo at 18. Then they sent me gear and promoted me to pro. Have approximately 96K in online winnings in 10 and a half months. Yeah, that's fucking my life up. And you're like half my age, less than half my age. Edmondson, hey, I really appreciate tutorials. Thank you. 260 in chat. Yeah. Woohoo! Insider trading. It's just a hookup. That shit messed my life up. It ain't worth it. What, fentanyl? Losing money? Poker? Acid absolutely does not clear my mind. Well, it does something to your mind. I know that. I kind of like when it's over, like the next day. I'm just like, oh. Monster drinks with Sprite and other things that boost the heart. I was trying to make you money off poker. I ain't good at it. Oh, you lost money? All right. Now, caught up in chat. We're gonna get the next part of the segment. We've been going over an hour on the CPA Strength Morning Show. Hope everyone's having a blessed day. I know we got people going to work, at work, staying home, playing hooky, getting up in the morning. Oh, we do have mail. I will give the mailing address and everything. I got 3 pieces of supporter mail here. After we already, I taught everyone accounting. I saved everyone $80,000 in 4 years of going to accounting school. I saved them. I taught accounting in 15 minutes at the beginning of this video. Now, alrighty. That's me at Holiday Park this morning. It's got the see, it's got gym apparatus. It's got gym apparatus there. Excuse me. Yeah, technology's awesome. Oh, look at this. It's trying to get some art here. Trying to get some art. This is at Holiday Park. You can't really see, but there is a sun. Anyways, there's sunrise is just hitting, overlooking soccer field. This is like a soccer ball walkway. Scooter gang here. Scooter gang dropped off. Oh, there you can see sunrise. Look at that art. Look at that art. Art. Sunrise. Art. Nothing good there. Now I moved over by that's a basketball. But then I was like, yo, you should have the basketball courts in the background. There you go. There's the basketball. So there was a soccer one. It's like a little circle thing. I think there's a baseball one. I'll get that in a different day. So there's where I worked out this morning, at Holiday Park. I got a bunch of different stuff, a little park right by my office, by my house. So I'm gonna do that more because I really enjoyed just exercising outside from being in this office. And yeah, I really liked that. So maybe that's a step to grounding myself, possibly. Manuel, yo, I passed accounting with a C because of you. I'm horrible about math. I have dyslexia and a bunch of different things. I think I have I think I have some kind of dyslexia too, or I think I have a bunch of things too, bro. God bless you getting through this. I'm happy I can help you. Wow, it's great. Good. Yeah, man. Nice view. God rays. Yeah, hell yeah, bro. It was awesome. I got out there at 6 o'clock. I exercise every morning at 6 to 7. And when I got out at the park at 6 o'clock, it was dark. And then it started getting light about, I don't know, like 6:30. And those pictures were about by like 7 a.m. I stayed there a little bit longer this morning, so I was having a really good time. And there's a bunch of different. Well, you saw in the first picture, there's like 8 little machines that use body weight that you can use. So, and then there's also like push-up poles and chin-up bars and rings and all kinds of different stuff. They have like a 1.5 mile, 2 mile walking course there. So it's really nice. What is the meaning between debit and credit? It's just left and right, pretty much. It's like in restaurants and fast food when they ask credit or debit. Why you always got to put it backwards there, Delta Boy? Oh, Pinder Car. Hello, buddy. Hey. I don't have any hot news. Does anybody have any hot news? What's going on in the world? Any hot news? Could you make some videos on income and balance sheet? I have tons of those. Just search. Here's what you search. On YouTube. CPA Strength Accounting playlist. Yeah, CPA strength accounting playlist. Search, put that in, and you'll find my playlist. And then I have tons. I have 134 accounting videos in that playlist. I'll help you out. Bless your soul. Good luck. Okay. Moving on to almost our next segment here of the show, of the morning show. We don't really have, the morning show is just kind of starting out, so we don't really have dedicated segments, and it's always changing and evolving and everything like that. I've never had these in my life. My mom sent these to me for my birthday. So this is Oregon shit. Yeah, Oregon pumpkin seeds. This is hippie shit. Oh, Pinder, I'm 19 and this semester had accounting for business. And yesterday was the exam. GCA Adler helped a fuck ton. I'm happy, bro. My uni is Queen Mary. I'm from England. Now what's up? England in the motherfucking house. Across the pond in the motherfucking house. Panther Pride push-up contest. That's the next segment. I'll do a push-up contest out there. I'll IRL live stream my workouts from Holiday Park. Because that's one of my problems with I can't really live stream. I'm supposed to go with Godzilla this Friday to possibly get a workout in. Organic protein bars for B-Day. Nice. Yeah, for real. Nice glasses. My fucking homie, you killing it out here. I'm trying, bro. Matt, I had reports from the from Toronto here that views from the 6th that we had 260 in chat today, so that's the new record. What up, Matt? How you doing today? I should look up Law of Attraction. You deserve more recognition. I think I think I get as much as I deserve. I don't think I deserve more. I think I deserve more money and Law of Attraction. I have on my, I can tell you guys what's on my vision board, right? It's kind of my like ceremonial board. Like, I don't know. I've been trying to sell my soul to the devil. Like, I don't know if that works or how I can do that, but I'm trying. I will do anything to get some money, really. But I have $1 million from YouTube on my vision board. And I look at that, I believe in it. And yeah, so I think I'm going to be a millionaire from YouTube if I keep going. Isn't that Law of Attraction? You got a wife? No, I'm single, bro. Fuck that shit. You got a wife, Matt? These are all right. I wouldn't do anything for money. I don't like, you know. You're 16? Damn, bro. Should I do age restriction on here? How old are you on how old are you on the internet though? Why'd you have to tell me that, bro? This is an adult chat. Anyways. You're 26. Cool. Don't want to be part of the divorce stats. No, I don't want to get divorced. So if I don't get married, I don't get divorced. I mean, yeah, no. No, I've never been married. Oh, cool. Oh, these are good. These are really good. 8 grams of protein, 15 grams of fat. These are really good. Hey, I made it to another one. How's it going? What's up, Joey? When are we getting a house tour, homie? Probably not for a little while. Probably not for a little while. That's my little honeycomb hideout right now. So, how much you make honestly a month? Honestly? Whenever anybody says honestly as a prefix, they're lying usually. 50 grams of sugar? Nah, bro. That would be carbs. This only has 6 grams. This has 3 grams of sugar, Holmes. This is organic, G. Delta boy, you don't know. Try Forex trading. What is that, like stocks? I sense positive energy from you. You sense correctness. I'm gonna pray for your success on God. Thank you, Alpine. Thank you. I appreciate that, bro. I really motherfucking do. I really motherfucking do, bro. So many motherfuckers always talk shit about me. Anyways, uh uh, alrighty. Be glad you're not a celebrity. They can't handle the hate. Celebrities can't handle the hate. I mean, I'm kind of an e-celebrity at this point. I can handle all the fucking hate. I've been dealing with hate my whole fucking life. Actually, I get I was like, you know what, I can do a YouTube channel because all I've ever fucking gotten was hate from fucking everybody in my real life, my family, um, authority figures, teachers, whatever, just a bunch of fucking hate. So I said, what the fuck? I don't give a fuck. I put up a YouTube video, get more hate. That ain't gonna be nothing. But a strange thing happened that I actually got a lot of love on the YouTube videos. So, I mean, I get a lot of hate too, but I'm just used to that. I'm built for this shit. I really am built for this shit. What are the plans for today? Well, I already worked out. I'm doing live stream. I definitely helped somebody out in the beginning of this. I'm looking at my board. Oh, actually, we got a really busy day here. Thanks for asking. Um, okay, I have doing client sales tax because that's due by the 19th. So, CPA strength Instagram, yes. I'm CPA strength. Anyways, in an hour and a half, 11 a.m., I'm got a phone call set up from one of my oldest, bestest friends who lives in LA now. He's an editor and he lives in LA, so I want to visit him this summer. But he's calling because he has QuickBooks and he does it. He does it himself. Actually, I do. Since I get half price on QuickBooks, I buy the subscription. He pays me back. Anyways, he does all the journal. He does all the bank wrecking and journal entries himself. And so he's calling to make sure he can do a journal entry. Okay, so that's at 11. So that's going to be cool. I'm supposed to do sales tax today, but I don't know if I'm going to do that. I have how much money, Jesse? Do you have QuickBooks Desktop or QuickBooks Online? Because there's no way in hell I would ever do QuickBooks Desktop again. Ooh, ooh. Desktop? Nah. El Paso on desktop. Are you sure you don't want to do desktop? No, I'm a Pasadena on that. You're doing it wrong, hun. Get online. Huh. Of course. Be nice. Mm. If she knew what she was doing, you wouldn't have a job. So, well, tell your boss. What was his name? I talked to him yesterday. Tell him to get Tell him to get Tell him to get online, bro. It's 2019. Use online, okay? The internet's not going anywhere. Desktop's a dinosaur out here. Fuck it, dude. To I meet my boy Ty Sticks at 2 p.m. for a chest workout and do some bench. I'm gonna go to the Cypress, LA location. That's what's cool about LA Fitness is that they got desktop got no online. Delta boy. What's your NA? What nationality? Max, how much do you think I bench press Panther Pride? So besides those couple things I gotta do, I gotta do a 1095A form today, or I have that and I have to fill out like an 8223 or something with one of my clients got like advance. They went through Marketplace to get insurance and they got like an advance or a subsidy kind of. And I didn't know about it. They didn't tell me, of course, but tax return, very common. No one tells me anything. And so I have to kind of do a somewhat of an amended return for them. I also have to fax a 2553 into the IRS, which I already did before, but now now my client got a letter, and so I have to send that in. I have to change my mailing address with the IRS because it's weird. I had room number 520 here in the same building. Then I moved to a house in Pompano, or about 20, maybe 5-10 miles north of Fort Lauderdale, Pompano Beach, Deerfield. Anyways, IRS has my office as 508. Mailman is not my biggest fan, and IRS has my office number as 520 now. I must have messed up because I was doing too much, and I need to change that to 508. I need to text a client that I said I was going to set him up for payroll in accounting, but I'm just too busy. So I'm going to have to say, hey, can we hold off on that for a few weeks? Another person got their bank account. I don't know. So, blah, 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 blah. Kelly Davis, I am struggling accounting 102 now. Look up my playlist. Look at my playlist. CPA Strength Accounting playlist on YouTube. Watch that. You'll be good. I benched 315 for 3 reps. I think you're around the same. I'd probably be around the same. How much do you weigh, though, bro? I do I just did the other week, I think 2 Mondays ago, I did 225, 5 sets of 15 reps. 200. What is CPA Strength's real name? Just Google search the kid. It's Jonathan Dorn. Why rent office space instead of working from your crib? Well, really a bunch of reasons, but probably no room at home. You know, it could go either way. I mean, that's really a good question. I weigh 240. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm like I would love to get down to 240. How tall are you? I'd love to get down to 240. I'm 265 right now. I need to be like 250. I think I'd be jacked and tan if I was 240. Well, if I had my office at home, then where do you meet clients? At my house? You know what I mean? Like, all right on. Yeah, I'm like 6'3". 6 foot club. Meet him at Starbucks. I know, and then they're gonna ask, and then you know what I'm saying, I got my filing cabinet here. I've got my printer. I've got my desk. It's my whole layout. And so I meet him at Starbucks, and I'm like, "What's the Wi-Fi password?" I mean, yes, I could, but how did I lose a lot of weight? Tracking macros, basically, and exercising. Whiteboard, by the way. Yeah, they don't have a whiteboard over at Starbucks. Oh, I want Arby's too. I want 2 beef and cheddars and the Jamocha milkshake. Oh. Then also, you know, I'm a public figure. I do a lot of live streams and everything, and it's like I don't really want people to I don't want everyone to know where I live. Like I don't care. I never had a gyro Arbors. I don't care if everyone in the world knows about this office. I think a lot has to do with me being a public figure. Why I have an office and not just do everything at home. Plus, I did that for last September, October, November, December. I had the office was my house, and so I'm never leaving. Like I'm just at my house all day. Like I don't ever have to. Yeah, don't eat where you poo. Exactly. Thanks, Dirty G. Um, yeah, it'd be a little cheaper. I could save $750 a month, but I just like having a separate office, and it works for me. Um, it's kind of like when I'm here in this office, I'm working. You know, I'm working. When I go home, I don't really like to work at home. I like to just relax at home. So it's a good question though. And I thought that like it was a wasted expense, and oh, that'd be so awesome if I just had my house and my office at my house. I wouldn't have to go anywhere, and I wouldn't have to deal with these people and blah blah blah. And what's up, SG? We've been going for an hour and a half again. Of course, we hit a record amount today. I am gonna lose. Some more weight though. There, Panther Pride. Good morning. I came in late, so I will rewatch as I need these tips. Yeah, I pretty much broke it down like after the first 2 or 3 minutes. Tyler, what's up, bro? And I pretty much told you everything you need to know about accounting in or everything I wish I knew when I was beginning. I said everything in about like 10 or 15 minutes. Um, how long is the drive from my house to my office, home to office? It might be like a mile, so it takes like 5 minutes. Have you tried co-working spaces? The new record's 260 people in chat, Dirty G. I've looked into co-working spaces, and I definitely my lease ends up here, I think, at this office at the end of November. So I am looking seriously into those because those are like month to month, and they have some around here. And then, you know, I could just rent a little office at a co-working space or a desk or something for like January, February, March, April. 4 months I could rent a space, and then for the other 8 months I could work out of my house. Kelly, what's up? Thank you. Kelly with a super chat. No question or anything? Do you have a question or anything, Kelly? Yeah, Ari, it does. How you doing today, girl? How you doing, Ari? Bello. Keep me updated on your fitness journey on Instagram. I love seeing that content. Okay, I will, bro. You obviously lift too, bro. So you stay lifting. Yeah, it keeps you sharp. I just whistled. Like I said, that keeps you sharp on your poker, I'm sure. I can't work from home. I got too much shit to do at home. Oh shit! Thanks, Dirty Jizzle. Thanks, Dirty G. Yeah, that's another thing that I forgot about too, Jesse. Is like, because I'm like, if I'm at home, I'm like, oh well, I know I have all this stuff to reconcile, or I have to do an amended tax return, but well, I'm gonna do everything at all possible so I don't have to do that amended tax return. Like, I'm gonna do laundry. I'm gonna vacuum the house. I'm going to, water the backyard. I'm gonna cook up some breakfast. I just all this stuff so I don't have to do it. Work from your phone at Starbucks. Well, first of all, I'm a Dunkin' guy. Fuck Starbucks. Fuck Starbucks bougie ass. Fucking $8 fucking bullshit coffee. Fuck that place. What's your name? Come on, man. Just give me my fucking coffee. I'm doing great today, Ari. I ended up working a lot longer when you work at home because of that. Yeah, I think so too. These are good, Mom. If you're watching this later, my mom sent me these for my birthday. They're good. Huh. Um, what I do a lot. There's a park, right? There's a park that I can walk there in probably 3 to 5 minutes. It's called George English Park, and a lot of times, well, probably today will be no exception. At 10 o'clock, I like to take a walk around there. And May 1st was my birthday. Turned 42. I'm a Taurus the bull, hence my Taurus tattoo. So a lot of times I just bring my phone over there and work off my phone while I'm 5 minutes away at the walking around. Yeah, right. What rule is that? Rule number uno, never let no one know how much dough you hold. Rule number two, I don't know, that's one of the rules in the 10 crack commandments. Keep your business and family completely separated because money and blood don't mix like two dicks. You find yourself fucked up in some serious shit. Strong word called consignment for live men, not for freshmen. Oh, I'm a hip hop head, bro. My favorite artist is Frank Linney. So then that's my favorite artist. So fuck it. What do you like, Panther Pride? Who's your favorite artist? Don't say I like everybody. Just name somebody. I mean, now for a very, very exciting part of the CPA Strength Show. Put our address in here. 1975 East Sunrise Boulevard. Number 508. Fort Lauderdale, Florida, 33304. Dion and the Belmonts, old. Chief Keef and Little Baby, cool. All those are good peoples. Just got a text from Ty Sticks. Am I still down for Lifted 2? You're damn skippy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Anything to get my ass out of the office. Yes, sir. There's the mailing address if you want to send some supporter mail or hate mail or whatever the fuck you want to do. And so let's go. I got this one a while ago. Now there's another piece of a letter that someone sent me. I believe it was someone named Candy. I'm so sorry though. I don't really know. I can find that letter. I know there's a mad delay. So I know there's a mad delay. Dirty G just texted me. Nice show. Dirty G, you want to call in? You want to talk to the people? You want to talk to the fans? Yes, we're letter reading. It's hard. I have 3 letters. LRX in chat. That's what the playoff CX. But letter readers, I'll tell you all where that came from. But basically, it's reading letters. I got 3 different letters to read and stuff. And Rip Biggie, Mickey Avalon, nudes. Please, I don't. Yeah, I don't even know. Sure, send nudes. Fuck it. I got this one a long time ago. Actually, I got this one like summer of 2018. So it's from Savannah. It's a Savannah postcard. It is pretty cool. It's from Jacksonville. Jacksonville's pretty close to Savannah. And says, "Hey, CPA Strength. Thank you for bringing so much light into the world. You do such an outstanding job and service with your YouTube channel. Keep up the great work. Peace and blessings, Lisa Lambert, the blogger's bookkeeper." Awesome. I think I did look for Lisa Lambert. I don't know if I found her. I'll look for her again. But I guess so. This is about this. I guess designed in the 18th century. So at 1900 or 1700. I know they're off. I don't know. Whatever. Old as fuck. Designed a while ago by General James Oglethorpe. Force Forsyth Forsyth Park is a 30-acre park bordered by Park Avenue on the south and by Gadsden Street on the north. The romantic Forsyth Park fountain sits in the north end of the park and is one of the most popular attractions for visitors in Savannah. I've never been to Savannah. So 220 in chat. Let's go. I don't know who he is. I never heard of him. Never heard of her. I'm sure he's a great man. I'll have Bam Bam send in some fan mail. Okay, then I can open it up. Send nods. Yeah. Send bobs. So that was one fan mail. I got another postcard too. Now this is April 30th, 2019. So this is just a couple days ago. I'm not. Oh, okay. This is New York. It's the globe structure in front of Trump International Hotel and Tower on 59th Street. Back to this. Thank you. This is my first letter I've ever read on Phil on camera here. So thanks a lot, Lisa. I'm glad you sent this. Plus, I don't know. I think Lisa might be a black woman, maybe because she's using a Black History Month stamp. Maybe not. Doesn't really matter, I guess. Anyways. What does this one say? A short little message here. Short message, but still fan mail anyways. Check spelling. You are a debit to the profession and YouTube. 96K subs. Keep it up. To Mr. Dorn. Mr. Dorn. I don't know who sent this at all. Maybe you're watching right now, or maybe you're going to watch this in the future. Thank you so much for the card. I appreciate it. No, you spell it wrong. No, Ari, you spell it wrong on purpose. I thought you did that on purpose. Like when I say show Bob's, BOBS, like you spell it wrong. So it's not considered bad. Now for our third letter, let me see what's going on in chat here. How do you avoid errors in your work? What methods do you use? Triple checking things? New York. Viva la figa. Figa. You sent nudes already, Daniel? Thanks. Now, this one. Was there something else in here? This is cool. Anyways, we got this. What does it say? Growth is evolving beyond everyone you used to be. I can get down with that. And it says 96K subs. We're at like 96,300 now. Let me see what we're at. We've got a couple actually today since I've been live streaming, so it's kind of picking up, or I'm not losing subs, or 97,331 subs we got. What? Anyways, it says found original letters. Apologies for crowding your mailbox. Professors scared to look. Shook. It would be a promotion. They were halfway crooks, lol. Halfway crooks? That seems like a rap song. It seems like a rap song. But anyways. But they sent letter. So let's read the letter together. I think I read it very briefly the other day, but yeah, we're dropping viewers like crazy on the morning show. People don't want to see me do letter readings, but it's tough out here. The memo says, from one former foolish youth adult learner, please know everything that matters up to who you are today. Beyond DC Adler is value added to society. People like us have to be loners because we know life is not a linear, formulaic path towards success. I am not as open as you are. Probably has to do with my degree of self-acceptance. You manage to be proud without coming off arrogant. You keep it real. That's what's up. Please know that from what I've seen you portray on your YouTube channel, you're both providing a service and being of service to the accounting. I don't know, the accounting are phenomenal, and more so without the premise of sophistication. Yeah, I'm white trash. You really humanize the material in the field. You are a debit to the profession. 96K sub. Oh, is this debit to the profession? Oh, it's coming together. It's coming together. This is the same person. Please find a way to copyright DC Adler. College professors have nothing on you. So yeah, I'll put these up on my board up there, and yeah, we've been going almost 2 hours right now. It's almost 10 o'clock. It's almost time for my morning walk. Let's see. Do you have staff? No, I don't have staff. At what stage is it good time to hire employees? I don't know. I might be at that time now because I don't have time to do hardly seems like anything anymore. But then I have to deal with them. So, I mean, I don't know. I don't have any staff currently, though. I feel like I wish I would, but then other times I don't have, like, I don't have to pay anybody. I don't have to worry about, well, this person's, got to pay their bills, and that would stress me out to some degree. Also, for a lot of this summer, from June through the end of the year, I'm trying not to be at this office at all, really. Negative asset. I guess I would define a negative asset as if it's lowering, like if you spend money, like if you spend $100 on something, money is cash is an asset. And I would say that a negative asset or an asset decreasing would be if you spend money, because let's say let's just use this, the most simplest. Let's just say this is all your cash. Now you spend it. You spend this hot dollar. Now you have no cash. That's a negative asset or an asset decreasing, because I had $1. Now I just bought something with it and I don't have no money. Oh, nudes at 100. Thanks, Daniel. That's awesome. They'll be coming in pretty soon, like next month. This is a sweet letter. Oh, so true. Yeah, I know. It's pretty cool. Love this topic. What topic? Anyways, I hope everyone liked this video. And, most likely we're going to be back on the CPA Strength Morning Show, and we're going to talk about whatever and whatever. So I hope everyone has a blessed day. I hope everyone crushes it today. And until tomorrow, love you guys. Deuces.